Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk from the Tarot and Crystal Guidance videos that some of you have seen. I'm very excited to offer some really big offerings right now. I've got 6 workshops that are on Udemy. 2 of them are free and 4 of them are paid, and sometimes they're always different kind of prices that fluctuate between $25 and $9.99. But I would like to offer to you exclusively $9.99 with this promo code that is up here or down here. Totally sign up and check it out, and you can learn about crystals, tarot, spiritual protection, and the 5 keys of self-care if you haven't signed up for any of these already. If you're interested in getting a pair of the crystal guidance cards from Happy Soul, the link is available in the description. Created by Diane Cooley and myself from Happy Soul Toronto. These are cards that connect crystals to chakra, offer the meanings of what you can use the crystals for in your practice for healing, but also offer guidance to better unlock the blockages that are in your life. Thank you everybody who have been tuning into my videos, and if you have not liked my like page, please do. And I look forward to everyone who messages me, and Snaps is somewhere, my cat. I don't know where he is, but thank you everyone who has signed up for over the internet readings, one-on-one crystal and tarot workshops through my website. Oh, here's Snaps. And for everyone who continues to tune into my videos, I'm also very excited to announce that I will be doing Facebook live broadcasts starting July the 23rd. I'm going to be doing business executive tarot readings, and I will be doing on July the 27th weekly guidance videos, my tarot and crystal videos, at 8 p.m. So please check out my like page for details. I look forward to doing free readings live stream every Friday at 8 p.m. and doing executive readings every Monday at 8 p.m. Stay connected. Bye, guys.